From the words of my friend on Discord. God damn it!
The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Muhlenberg County, Kentucky until 4 p.m.
Muhlenberg.
At 3:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located.
It's raining outside.
North of Elkton,
That's what it's like outside.
At 65 miles per hour.
Okay.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
Don't spook me, GTA.
Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters.
Oh!
The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Central City, Dunmore, Greenville, and Drakesboro.
Oh,
This
101.9.
includes Western Kentucky Parkway between mile markers 58 and 65. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. for the following county: Muhlenberg, Kentucky.
What was it that they issued? Fucking A.